Don't be late. Don't be late. Stay close. Stay close. Come with me. Come with me. Give me some time. Give me some time. It's your turn. It's your turn. Don't move too much. Don't move too much. Can you help me? Can you help me? Don't give up. Don't give up. Try your best. Try your best. Take a break. Take a break. Watch your step. Watch your step. Take the lead. Take the lead. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. Don't stop. Don't stop. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Stay calm. Stay calm. Pay attention. Pay attention. Count to 10. Count to 10. Think twice. Think twice. Look around. Look around. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Don't stop smiling. Don't stop smiling. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. Take your time. Take your time. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. It's okay. It's okay. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. Stay positive. Stay positive. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Come back. Come back. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Take it. Take it. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Give it back. Give it back. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Get up now. Get up now. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Let me go. Let me go. Stay on track. Stay on track. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. Don't be too fast. Don't be too fast. Stop moving. Stop moving. Don't speak too loud. Don't speak too loud. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Get to work. Get to work. Don't take it wrong. Don't take it wrong. Hurry up a bit. Hurry up a bit. Take it easy. Take it easy. Get me that. Get me that. Be kind. Be kind. Stop yelling. Stop yelling. Give me a break. Give me a break. Look at that. Look at that. Don't let go. Don't let go. Try it again. Try it again. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't hold it too tight. Don't hold it too tight. Stop asking. Stop asking.